Hello again, friends, and welcome back to Android Upstars, viral video booster for YouTube. It is an app that will help boost your YouTube views by actually you have to view a video and you will get video views on your videos. So let's take a look at this. Open it up. So this is a list of videos that you can watch, and each one of them you can get credits. So you can see this on the right hand side. You see the 10 credits. So you watch a video, and then at the end of the video, after 60 seconds, you will be able to get a credit of 10. So right now, I've already got 1,000 credits. So I'm ready to boost a video that I have. So I go on the campaign here. These are some of the ones I've already done just to try them out. But I wanted to go for a larger number, so I watched quite a bit of videos to get to the 1,000. So when you get ready to add a video, you want to hit the plus sign right here. And you want to input the name or go through URL. I'm going to try the URL. So I go to my YouTube channel, and I found a video that I want to boost. This one I just uploaded a few hours ago, so I'm going to try this one right here. So I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to go back here and paste it onto the page right here. And there's my video right here. Click on it. And the amount of coins I want to use. So I'm going to get 100 views will equal the 1,000 coins that I have. So go ahead and click on the check mark. And I'm going to create the campaign. So I'm going to go for my 100 views. And this is a disclaimer right here. It might take up 24 hours for the views to generate in your YouTube. So hit OK. So now my campaign is started, and I will check back later on. We'll see how it does. It's been a few days. Let's check the video's progress on this app. So we're close to getting close to our objective of 100 views, and we can tap on the app, and we can see just who all saw my video. Now we go over to our YouTube studio, and we're going to check the video. We see that I've reached my desired 100 views so far, and it's well on its way to get more. So let me click on the analytics. When you go to your analytics, you can definitely see the percentage of where your views is coming from. And this right here, the viral video, you can see right here that it has given me a slight boost of 4.8, and which has helped increase the visibility to my video, so that hopefully this will be, like I said, exactly what it says. It helps boost your videos by using view per view. So although my video did not go viral, it actually did boost the views somewhat. So this is a very good app. I recommend you if you want to get more traction come to your YouTube videos, you can try this app. Although it does require you to do some work as far as watching other videos to earn credit so you can get your video promoted. It does what it says it does, and I definitely will have to agree with it that it is a very good app. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you already have it. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.